Local news about local people. This is NewsLink Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. Polls are now closed across Indiana, and for the most part, things ran smoothly, but there were a few glitches. In Muncie, signs that say hope on them are actually signs for candidates that were painted over. And the Delaware County Election Board held an emergency meeting to address a letter hand-delivered at several precincts. Delaware County Republican Chair Kay Whitehead says the letter sent by the attorney for the county Democratic Party to election inspectors is intimidation and asked for immediate attention to protect the integrity of the election. Election board officials made both letters part of the official record and say they will encourage inspectors to do the job they were instructed to do. Henry County voters had a chance to use touchscreen voting machines this year. It's the first presidential election they've had the chance to electronically cast their votes. NewsLink Indiana's Jennifer Kinley was there and has voter reaction.
Lines this morning in Henry County as voters had a short wait to cast their ballot on a touchscreen voting machine.
It's just real easy, real simple. You know, you see the candidate and you just push the button.
However, things weren't as simple earlier in the morning.
When we plugged in the machines, we weren't getting enough power to power all 5 of them. We had to run an extension cord in through the kitchen and plug it in there, and they seem to be working just fine right now.
Even if there is a power outage, the votes that have been cast will be saved.
And that's not the only thing that will be saved. Election officials say that when the polls are closed, it will be easier to count the ballots this year because there'll be a master list instead of counting each individual ballot.
I go through each machine, it collects the ballots on it, and then at the end, I just put it through the printer and it prints out the ballots.
Election officials say the electronic system eliminates voter error.
If you hit more than you're supposed to, it will flash that you're not allowed to do that.
A process voters say they like and agree was really simple. And the best part, no need to check for hanging chads. In Henry County, Jennifer Kinley, NewsLink Indiana.
And by 2006, all punch card ballots will be eliminated in the U.S. Now here's Jennifer Cook with a look at our forecast. Jennifer.
Thanks, Chris. Throughout the day today, we've seen our temperature drop about 20 degrees. We'll continue to see it drop tonight with hitting a low of 39 degrees, along with mostly cloudy skies. Before the day tomorrow, we're going to see our high at 55 degrees. We will see the sun return into the forecast, but we're going to see rain come back into the forecast later on in the evening. We're going to see our winds out of the east-northeast. Chris?
Thanks, Jennifer. That is NewsLink Indiana. Stay with WIPB and Indiana Public Radio for election updates throughout the night and get the results at newslinkindiana.com. We'll see you tonight at 10:57.